Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to install PyQt5 in Windows 11. PyQt5 is a framework in Python by which we can to create a GUI application in Python language. Okay, let's start. First, you need to install Python on your PC, and after this, search for the CMD or command prompt and open this. Now, first, search for Python dash dash version. Press enter. Okay, Python successfully installed on my computer, Python 3.12.1. Now just write pip 3 install pyqt5. Press enter. Okay, now collecting PyQt5 and downloading started. Finally, PyQt5 downloaded and installed successfully, and now just start using it. Thank you for watching.